Hey everybody, Justin Vierra here with the Vierra Group at Keller Williams Realty. Welcome into our Market Minute, where we discuss the monthly trends in the local Sacramento real estate market. In this segment, we like to discuss the big takeaways with regard to some of the stats in the market, and then I like to kind of digest some of the trends or common features that we find in the market here. So one of the really important things to understand about this market is that it's an upward moving market. And so we noticed or realized a $5,000 increase in the median price. So we went from $365,000 to $370,000 as the median price in Sacramento. That's a month over month increase of $5,000. A big topic that we've been talking about a ton too is inventory. Everyone's talking about tight inventory here and there. So neutral on inventory in terms of months of supply. We're still at 1.3 months of supply for inventory. That was the same last month. So still those similar market conditions where prices are moving up and not a ton of homes on the market for you. But one thing I did notice though, sort of being out with the client, is that in certain price segments, like $300,000 or $400,000, there can be some things to choose from. We just had two experiences where we had one buyer in Natomas, and we were able to show them for about 5 or 6 homes in that market in the $300 to $400 price range, and then in Rancho Cordova, same price range. Showed about 6 homes, and both identified homes within a week. So it's really positive. So if you're looking a little bit further out in that price range, you could have quite a few things to choose from. Of course, if you're trying to, put that price range to work, maybe in the city center, that could be close to impossible or at least quite challenging. So it's really important to know those local markets and how your price is affected for different neighborhoods. So that's a big deal. But overall, market moving really quick. 79% of all homes in Sacramento are selling within 30 days. And we have a median days on market of 10 days. So if you think about the vast majority of homes selling in 30 days total, but many of those homes selling in 10 days, the market can be moving quite fast. So homes that are priced right, or presented very well, or both, they tend to be selling quite quickly. Again, I talked about those experiences that we had in outlying areas and really quality price ranges being effective. But I'd say one of the most common conversations that we're having, whether it be with buyers or with sellers, is about the conditions of property. So, if you're a buyer in this market, you're feeling like you're stretching a lot on price to make a competitive offer, competing against, 2 or 3 or 5 other buyers, and you're offering, 5, 10, 15,000 over asking. Once you're in contract, we notice that we have a pretty high expectation for the condition of that property. So for our seller clients, we're doing a lot of work and putting a lot of time and effort into coaching on, how do we best prepare your home for sale, understanding the necessary investments that you can make in your home to ready it for market before you get to market, so that not only will you sell most effectively, but you'll be most likely to keep that buyer in contract and actually close the deal, instead of going on the market, selling the home, taking it off the market, being in contract for 10 days or 2 weeks, and then getting some investigations, and then the buyer canceling because of the change of understanding for condition and the price that they paid for it. So really important to know about those investment opportunities. And we're helping a lot of clients, decide on, maybe a $5,000 investment into the condition of their property and realizing a gain of 10 or 15,000, just depending on the situation. So those are the most interesting statistics or trends that we're seeing or experiences that we're having with our clients. That's it for Market Minute this month. If you have any questions about the market, you're curious about what kind of improvements you can make to your home to not only increase its value, but ready it for sale, please let us know. Also appreciate you liking and sharing the video and just being part of our community. So thanks for all your time. Peace.